Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Satoshi Panda token. Ticker symbol is SAP. Now this token is about to start their pre-sale on Pinksale.finance in about 5 days or so. So you got a lot of time to go check this out before the pre-sale starts. It's going to be a public pre-sale. You don't need to be on a whitelist or anything like that. They have a full audit. This token is on the Binance Smart Chain. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it even after the pre-sale's over in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that. Just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, a wholesome meme project inspired by Satoshi's vision and cute red pandas, rewarding Bitcoin and SAP to its community. And SAP, like I said, is the ticker symbol. No private sale, no team tokens, a low tax, buyback program, 2-year liquidity lock, CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko fast track. Previous project reached $200 million plus market cap. Industry veteran since 2013. Audit by IntraFi Network, and you can review the full PDF of that audit on Pinksale. They're going to have a 7,777 NFT collection. You'll also be able to stake those NFTs. It says long-term roadmap, media releases, memes, contests, competitions, and community events. So lots of stuff involved in this project here. Now, they have a Twitter you could follow. I'm going to put that in the corner of the screen over there. It is at Satoshi Panda IO, and they have a blue verified checkmark, 83 tweets. Brand new project, just joined in January 2023. Almost 400 holders so far, and it has a link to their webpage right there as well at, SatoshiPanda.io. So yeah, and then they have pre-sale information. Basically a countdown to their pre-sale they just announced here. And yeah, so let's get to that. So when does the pre-sale start? The pre-sale starts exactly February 22nd at 22 hours UTC time. And it's going to run for 3 days until February 25th, 22 hours UTC time. Now soft cap for this pre-sale is 21 BNB. And total supply of this token is 21 billion tokens. Initial market cap estimate is $11,664. So yeah, no hard cap. Pre-sale is going to run for 3 days. Now, if you end up missing this public pre-sale, no worries, because shortly after the pre-sale is over, this token is a Binance Smart Chain token, so it will be listed on Pancakeswap. You will be able to get it over there eventually by funding your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Binance Smart Chain, going into the dApps, finding Pancakeswap, and then trading your BSC for the Satoshi Panda token using the contract address that you can find on their official webpage, SatoshiPanda.io. Now you are going to have to set your slippage around, you're going to have to set your slippage around 5% for buys, sells, and maybe transfers, because it does say that there is a 5% tax. And liquidity will be locked on Pinksale for 730 days, so 2 years, they said. Now, according to their token metrics allocation pie chart here, we have 40% of the tokens going to pre-sale, 23.94% going to liquidity, 20% going to rewards, 16.06% going to marketing. Now, there's also a free and quick light audit in the discussion section on Pinksale by Block Seifu Audit, and there's no bad warnings on it whatsoever. It's just all good check marks. It says, owner cannot mint new tokens after initial deployment. Owner cannot set max transaction amount. Owner cannot set blacklist. Owner cannot set fees. Owner cannot pause trading. Proxy contract and token is not found. They have a Telegram you can follow at Satoshi Panda portal. Now, I am going to put a link to their pre-sale down there in the description box and in the comment section. If you go to their webpage, satoshipanda.io, you can find a full white paper over there as well. They have roadmap, ecosystem, community section. So it's a 9-page white paper. Big disclaimer. You should always read the disclaimers and everything like that. So yeah, tiny print on there, a lot of reading to do on their white paper. So it says, the happy meme coin with Bitcoin rewards, inspired by Satoshi Nakamoto and lovable red pandas, a community-focused and unique rewarding system. Now, they have links to their socials on their page. They also have a Discord you guys could join. So it says, the only meme coin rewarding both in its native token and in Bitcoin to its community. That's right, Satoshi Panda gives back to its community by distributing Bitcoin, BTCB, on the Binance Smart Chain to SAP holders. Satoshi Panda is a unique meme project that gives back to its community in several ways, while working towards saving lovable red pandas from extinction. So you get a 5% reflection distribution, and it's split between Bitcoin and on the BNB chain. And the more SAP traded, the more rewards. Then we have the community. It says join the community and the locked LP. And 9 decimal places it says on this token. Their roadmap starts with phase 1, build and grow the Satoshi Panda community. Smart contract created, smart contract audited, pre-sale on Pinksale, SAP BNB LP launched and liquidity added, CoinGecko CoinMarketCap listings, KOL partnerships, marketing partnerships and campaigns, and then phase 3, Satoshi Panda 7,777 NFT collection released, NFT staking launch, then NFT gamification, also central exchange listings. Phase 4 is going to be Red Panda charity initiatives, decentralized exchange launch, tokenized future-based record label. That's hilarious. And Learn to Earn Web3 education platform. So go check this project out. Go check out their socials. I'm going to leave a link, like I said, down there in the description box in the comment section down there to this pre-sale. Check out all the referral codes down there as well. Make sure you guys like this video. Subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there. What do you guys think about this project? And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.